Hello guys, it's the end of another trading week, and this time around, I actually didn't trade much. I had my activity on the market was very minimal, and that's because of the way the market has been over the last couple of weeks, I should say. I think last week was the first week I recorded the loss, and this week I was just trying to avoid that, especially as most of my accounts are already within the maximum drawdown limit. Yeah, because my Bogo account, my phase 2 Bogo account, and my old phase 1 account, 10K account, is I think is over 6% down already, and this is due to the bad trading conditions over the last few weeks. Yeah, but even my funded account is still in drawdown. Yeah, but just I think around 1 point something% in drawdown, so that's not much of a problem. Yeah, but I just had to be very careful this week because I didn't want to accumulate losses that I won't be able to cover up for, especially as movement has not really been good across all pairs, or maybe almost all pairs, I should say. Yeah, so and that is the reason why I was able to take just two trades this week. I actually remember I normally have one video midweek and one video at the end of the week, but since the activity in the market these days has been very poor and slow, I decided there's no point creating two videos weekly. Yeah, since I probably did not do anything or would not do anything within the first half of the week. Yeah, so and that's how it was this week. I only took two trades. I took one on USD card on Tuesday, and I took another one on Euro USD on Thursday. Yeah, the one on USD card as usual hit surplus, but the one on the one on Thursday hit take profit, a 1 to 2 hour take profit. So I was able to just barely come out of the week in profit. Yeah, and I took this trade only on my challenge account because of because of how deep in drawdown those accounts are. I'm very selective of the trades I take there. Yeah, the USD card I took didn't really moved it actually moved, but I didn't take profit where I should have, so I came out as almost break even. Yeah, so it's as good as I didn't take any trade on those challenge accounts. On the one I took, I think I took £1 USD on my Bogo account, but I used half of my risk, my normal risk, and so I also came out at almost 1 to 1. So it wasn't really a significant trade. But okay, so that's how my week went. Nothing much to talk about, just two trades throughout the week, and that's how you should manage this period of low volatility. I hope that next week would improve, but even if it doesn't, you just have to manage your losses. You don't want to take unnecessary losses this period. Better to wait maybe till January next year or February, whenever the market starts moving again, then you can start making money. All right, so let me just quickly run into my chart and show you the two trades I took and also my FundedNext account.
Alright guys, so this is USD card and this is the first trade I took last week. I didn't trade on Monday based on how the market has been behaving, so I just waited till Tuesday and I saw this impulse right here. This impulse here, you can see after this touch of this channel support, there's this first impulse, there's a slight retracement, and then there's a second impulse. So on this retracement, I was expecting price to just continue with the move upwards, and that was the main reason why I was interested in taking this trade. And this is the 1 hour time frame. So but if I switch to the 15 minutes, then you would see that there are reasons why I should be getting into this trade, because just like I said before, there is this second impulse to the upside, and this is where we should expect that price will continue to the upside. And that day I came into the market right in the morning, my normal trading session, and I can see that there's a slight, a little impulse that has already formed again. So these are all bullish signals showing that price should reject this level and continue to the upside. And so I should have entered somewhere around here. This is 6 a.m. in the morning. I should have entered somewhere around here, but because I know that this market is very unstable and could come towards these lows, I decided to bring my entry a bit lower to this minor support level here, just expecting that okay, if price would do a deep retracement, maybe it will come to these lows here and maybe this low. So I put my stop loss below this low here. You can see it's right on that low. That's why I had my stop loss right here, so to cover up for this level, and this level here. But even that was not enough for me to stay in this trade. They took me out and then drove prices upwards. So you can see, even if I had not, probably I wouldn't have closed with a um complete 1 to 2. In fact, this is even more than 1 to 2. If I Because I was targeting these highs again. But if I bring it down a bit, then definitely I would have exited with a 1 to 2 on this trade. But that was not the case. Stop hunt again, as we've seen for the most of last month and this month. So that was how I took a loss on Tuesday on USD card. That same day, I had Euro USD running. And one thing is that for last week, I didn't open these pairs on all my accounts, so I just shared them across the different accounts. I opened that USD card on my live account, and I opened this one on my one of my challenge accounts. So as you can see, this also had a good reason to move to the downside. If I switch to the 1 hour time frame, you will even see it a bit more clearly. So you can see this break of this trend line, and then you can see an impulse to the downside. You can see a retracement which took liquidity from this level, and then another impulse to the downside again. So following this strong impulse, that's from these highs to these lows to the downside, I expect that a little retracement to these levels, and then continuation maybe to somewhere around these lows again. And that's just how we that's my normal that's where I trade normal, that's my strategy, and that's how the market moves. Yeah, so but after coming to this level and coming back up here, so I expect that okay, market will continue coming to the downside from here. So you can see clearly that we are bearish from the 1 hour time frame. Then going back to the 15 minutes time frame, this is the trade here. Yeah, so after some rejection of these levels, I decided to get into the trade, and as you can see, it played around a bit, and then even made this push to the downside, which looks like an impulse again to the downside. I felt that this market may continue downwards from here, break these lows to this level, especially as this is a level of liquidity. But again, we went back up, and then I knew that okay, this market is not going to move today, and I was able to come out at break even on this trade. Yeah, then this is the last trade I took for the week. I was not really active last week because of the way the market has been. And then this is Thursday, and this one by the grace of God, I was able to win this trade. And just like I analyzed for the previous one, here we see a clear bearish trend, but here we see that the market has broken back upwards, and this is a clear bullish trend as well. So based on how the market has been behaving, as I entered here, it could have actually come back and took me out of took me out of loss, supported me before going in direction. But thanks be to God, this one was a bit clear, and it moves immediately after my entry. So coming down to the 15 minutes time frame, we already know that this is a bullish market. It's broken back above this resistance level, so now it's acting as support. As you can see, as price came back here, rejected again, had this strong impulse to the upside, starting from these lows here. There's this impulse to the upside, and then on retracement, I knew that okay, it's time to get into this trade, and I was able to get in somewhere around here and secure my stop loss below these lows. As you can see, price shot directly straight to my TP, and I was able to come out with a 1 to 2 on this trade. Yeah, and I think that was how my week ended. There's an opportunity on pound AUD I should have taken, but unfortunately, I wasn't quick enough to take this trade. I came into the market, I would say probably late, because I actually saw price when it was around there. I was expecting it to come down here before I get my entry. I was actually expecting a lower level, maybe somewhere around here, just because of the way the market has been behaving lately. So, but then it rejected this level, and I wasn't really around when I came. This doji here had formed, and before I could think about what I wanted to do, before I could see everything and calculate my lot size, this big push had already happened, and I knew I was this trade was over for me. Yeah, so I could have had another 2 hour win on Friday, but that wasn't the case. I had to settle for only the win I had on Thursday. All right, so those are the pairs I traded last week. Just 2 pairs, 2 or 3 pairs or thereabout, and that was all for the weeks. All right, so and this coming week I'll be hoping that maybe things will be a bit better. I don't know how it will go, but I will still not be very active on the market. If I see an opportunity, of course, I will take it. And if I don't see, I will just watch all through. All right, so that will be all for this video. I don't think there is anything much to see on my FundedNext account. I'm still in drawdown, still around 6% in drawdown for both challenge accounts, and my funded account is still in drawdown, just around 1% of drawdown. Yeah, so I didn't really do much this week, so there was no strong move on the account. Yeah, but I'm hoping that this will be better, and if I once I can come back into profit, definitely that's for my funded account. I would be showing you how the account is doing. All right, if you enjoy this content and you want to see how I progress on my journey, on my prop firm journey, kindly like, share, subscribe with your friends, and see you on the next one. Bye.